Hi guys, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I'm heading towards HARVALEM, which is in Sankhlim area. Then I will go to Walpoi there, try to show you what we can see in that area. They have waterfall also there. Let's see what we can see. And a small bike I have today because the other bike have big mission to do. That's why I use this bike now. So almost 48 kilometers away from my home. So I'll try to cover that area. Let's see what we can see there. If you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then, let's go. Okay, there is the road that side. I'll take that left from there. That left I will take from there. This side. Alright guys, this is a HARVALEM cave here. This is the cave. They build inside the rocks here. You see, there are 5 links inside there. I'll show you. Let's see the history first here, what they say about this. I'll just hold the camera a little bit. Okay, there are links inside. You can see. I'll just go and try to show you. Yeah, this is HARVALEM place here. Okay, I'll just go inside. Okay, this is it. Here also they have. It's very long history they have. The local believe there are lots of history here of this cave. Over here also. I'll check other side. Here also. Total 4 links they have in this area. I'll go other side now. Here they have 1 links inside, but no one worships them. It's plain like some agarbattis here, but it's not a. No one is worshipping. Okay. Here we have nothing here inside, just some kind of holes there. I don't know for what they use for. Okay, let's go further. Alright guys, I'm finally at HARVALEM temple here, and the waterfall is just behind this area here. I'll just go and check it out. There whether it's I can hear the noise of water there. It's almost 50 kilometers away from my home now. It took me very long. I just stopped to cover some area there on the way. Okay, let me show you the temple and then go to the waterfall there. Okay. This is the temple here. Okay, I'll show you. This is my machine. It doesn't run fast. It's only 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. This is the area of this place here in HARVALEM. It's a holy place, they say. And this is the temple area. I'll just walk there, this way, over there. Some tourists are also here. This place. Let me go there. Okay, I'll just walk from here, this area here. Over here. Okay, this is the pipe has broken here. Big noise is coming off the water here, and there's a fall there. It's a fire burning, that's why the smoke is all over. Alright guys, welcome to HARVALEM Falls here. This is the fall here. I don't think they allow to swim here. It's not allowed maybe to swim, but the people have gathered here. When you come from other road, you'll have to climb down the stairs here. But it's a different road I used to come here. This is the place of this area. They have some history about Lord Pandavas. here at this place, even that cave there, according to the locals. Okay, I'll just go and try to shoot some area from that place as well. Okay. Alright guys, I'm done with HARVALEM here in the Saterimi area. From here I'll go to Sakli now, this way. Okay then, if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then guys, let's go to Sakli from here now. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.